Hey everyone, bonjour et bienvenue à The Language Code. Let's decode the languages with Nitika. Today in this video we are going to learn about les prépositions, that is the prepositions in French. Very easy and simple way. And our new batch is starting from the 1st of June. If you have not enrolled in our batches, just DM us on the given number and enroll in our batches. Without any ado, let's get started with the video. Les prépositions. The prepositions are of three types in French. Le lieu, le temps and le direction. Wait. So le lieu means the preposition of place. Now if I talk about the preposition of place, it comes out to be à, dans, sur, sous, devant, derrière, entre, à côté de. So à means at, in or to. We use it for all of the three. It depends. Dans means inside. Sur means onto something. Sous means under. Devant means in front of. Derrière means behind. Entre means between two things, like between my two hands. This is a pen. À côté de means next to, adjacent, next to. That is à côté de. So these are the very simple prepositions of the time. These are the only I've used in this video only the simple ones so that you understand how to make sentences using simple prepositions. Next is le temps. Le temps means the time, the preposition of time. À means to. En means in or during, for the period. Depuis, since, or we also use it for. Now here, next is la direction. La direction means the direction. That is à. À is for to. The is from. Vers means towards. Now, we have some more prepositions that we use for pay. Pay means the countries. So, countries के लिए कौन सी prepositions use करते हैं? That is o, en and o. O is used before a masculine country. For example, ou Canada, ou Japan. So, these are masculine countries. For example, I live in Canada. So, it will be J'habite au Canada. Canada is masculine country and singular. So, I'll put ou before that. En we use with the feminine countries like J'habite en Inde. J'habite en Inde. I live in India. J'habite en Inde. Inde is feminine country. So it is en. We use en before that. Ou we use before the plural countries. For example, J'habite aux États-Unis. États-Unis, United States of America. So the countries which are plural, les Pays-Bas. That is Netherlands. So we say J'habite aux Pays-Bas. J'habite aux États-Unis. Oui? So for them we use ou. A, U, X. Ou. Now we have a couple of more general prepositions like avec. Avec means with. Sans. Sans means without. And pour means for. Chez means at someone's place. Now, chez means at someone's place. For example, je visite chez le médecin. Oui? So, this is how you make. Now, we are going to learn the application, that how you applicate all these prepositions using sentences and how we differentiate between lieu, temps and direction. You'll get to know when we'll do the a couple of sentences, you'll understand better that how to use them. This was just a briefing कि किसको क्या बोलते हैं, right? So now we are going to learn how to make sentences using the preposition and through simple examples. J'habite à Paris. J'habite à Delhi. J'habite à Chandigarh. So before any city name, you always put à. And before any place like à l'école or restaurant, à l'hôpital, you always put à, le apostrophe, or you use the contractive articles basically. So, je vais à l'école, je vais à l'hôpital, je vais au restaurant. Oui, so it depends. Dans. When something is inside, you use dans. Le livre est dans le sac. The book is inside the bag. So, le téléphone est sur la table. The telephone is on the table. Le téléphone est sur la table. Le chat est sous la chaise. Le chat est sous la chaise. The cat is under the chair. Devant. La voiture est devant la maison. So, the car is in front of the house. Entre. Le stylo est entre le livre. The pen is between the book. À côté de. Le banque est à côté du restaurant. The bank is next to the restaurant. Oui? So this is how you use these preposition of place in these sentences. Let's come on to time. Je mange à 8 heures. J'arrive à 7 heures. Oui, je me réveille à 6 heures. So whenever you talk about a particular time, you always use à before it. En you use for months, seasons and for years. You use en, in or during के लिए. Je voyage en juillet. Je voyage en juillet. Je suis né à 2001. Oui. Depuis. Elle habite ici depuis lundi. When you have a continuation, right? Something which is being continued since a past time, so we use depuis. Okay? So elle, she lives here since Monday. Oui. Then is direction. Pour la direction, je vais à Delhi. So she is going to, I am going to Delhi. Il sort de la classe. He goes outside of the class. So from the class. So the is used either from or of. You use it for both. Vers. Vers means towards. So nous allons vers la plage. We are going towards the beach. Nous allons vers la plage. So here also let's underline the prepositions. Okay. Avec. Sans, pour and chez. So these are also certain verbs which we use, certain words, that is preposition, which we use in sentences. So let's learn how we use these. For avec. Avec means with. So nous sommes avec nos amis. We are with our friends. Sans means without. Je bois du café. I drink coffee sans sucre, without sugar. Pour. Elle étudie pour l'examen. She studies for the exam. Chez. Chez means at someone's place. So, je vais chez le médecin. You don't say, I am at doctor. So, in French, we say, je vais chez le médecin. Oui. So, je vais chez le médecin. Je vais chez la boulangerie. Je vais chez le coiffeur. So, this is how we make it. Yes, now coming on to the pay. We learned for prepositions for pay, like the countries. For masculine, for example, j'habite en Inde. Elle vit en France. She lives in France. Il voyage au Canada. Il voyage, he travels to Canada. Then coming on to j'habite aux États-Unis. That is the plural country. So you put AUX with it. So this is how we learn, this is how we applicate the prepositions, whether it is a preposition of time, preposition of place or preposition of direction. So these are all the simple ways of learning the preposition and making simple sentences. I hope this video was clear. If you have any doubt, you can comment us in the comment section, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And also one more thing, if you want to have live classes with us, so please call us on the given number which is flashing on the screen, and I'll meet you in the next. Au revoir, à la prochaine.